Today, we're diving into the world of countdown applications for Android. We'll explore the features that make the best countdown apps stand out, helping you build excitement for those special moments in your life. Countdown applications are tools designed to help users keep track of upcoming events by counting down the days, hours, minutes, and seconds until the specified moment. The best countdown apps for Android typically feature user-friendly interfaces, customizable options, and various themes to make the countdown experience enjoyable and visually appealing. They allow users to create multiple countdowns for different events, such as birthdays, holidays, weddings, or vacations. These apps often include features like reminders, notifications, and the ability to share countdowns with friends and family via social media or messaging platforms. Some popular countdown apps also integrate widgets for easy access on the home screen, providing a quick view of upcoming events. Overall, countdown applications are great for generating excitement and anticipation for life's significant moments. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of countdown applications has inspired you to start planning your next big event. See you next time, and happy counting down.